Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Happy St. Patrick's Day and a nice day today with some sunshine. Temperatures not nearly as cold. In fact, closer to average for this time of year, topping out in the upper 40s to near 50. Weather should stay quiet this evening through at least Thursday morning. We are tracking precipitation. It's been a while since we've had widespread precipitation. Rain, yes, and of course you've heard the rumors by now. A little bit of snow, too. Though that's probably not going to occur until much later tomorrow night, like an after midnight pre-dawn Friday. And we'll get to that in just a second. We're not getting a big snowstorm, but there'll be some small showers in some spots. Look at the high temps today. That's more like it. I mean, I would prefer this to be 10 degrees milder, but we'll take it considering where we've been of late, topping out in the upper 40s. You notice the coast was a smidge cooler with the breeze off the water. Of course, the ocean is still chilly this time of year. All right, so our threat tracker is low this evening and tonight and through at least the Friday morning commute. And here's the breakdown. Our next system is arriving Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. Initially, it starts off as rain, and actually quite a bit of rain. It looks like a soaker for the evening commute, so some slower travel speeds. It will turn windy and much colder by late Thursday night, Friday morning, so that after midnight, tomorrow night into the pre-dawn hours of Friday, 4, 5, 6, 7 a.m., some wet snow and some small accumulations. In fact, do we have that map? Yeah, let's take a look at it right now. And really no dramatic change from our thinking from last night and this morning. So this is how it's going to break down with one of those deals where the further north you are in the higher elevations where it's colder, generally 1 to 2 inches of snow, Providence, north and west. This will be the location that first changes over from rain to snow, and the fact that it'll be colder here, you got a better shot of picking up 1 to 2. The switch to snow is several hours later south of Providence. So I think anything south of Providence and along the coast, anywhere from a slushy coating to about an inch. And again, this isn't really realized until much later tomorrow night after midnight and into the pre-dawn hours of Friday. In fact, I do expect the sun to come back out by Friday afternoon, so things improve. In the meantime, satellite photo shows mainly clear skies, some clouds off to our south and west. Here is the wider view, and fairly quiet across New England, and it should stay that way this evening and overnight. Unfortunately, this system across the deep south making national news. This is really a very significant outbreak of severe weather, severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. This, unfortunately, will be making national news. So area of low pressure across the Central Plains, across Oklahoma, but out ahead of it, an outbreak of severe weather. Now, we're getting this system, but we're not getting severe weather, but rather the moisture from it on Thursday. And we could use the rain, actually. It's been dry of late, so that headed our way for a Thursday afternoon. So the morning commute is dry. In fact, let me walk you through it hour by hour. Overnight, or this evening and overnight, increasing clouds. Here we are at 7 in the morning, mid-30s, cloudy but dry, so morning commute is fine. Here comes the green. And there's your rain by noontime, and really nothing scattered about it. It's widespread and actually heavy at times. So reduced travel speeds and a slower go for the evening commute. Take note of the temperatures, 45. So all that green is rain. And as we get towards 11 o'clock midnight, you start to see in northern suburbs these patches of blue indicating a switch over to some wet snow, which will spill over into the very early morning hours of Friday. Though I really expect some rapid clearing by noontime Friday. So the breakdown tonight is fairly quiet and temperatures not as chilly. In fact, 6 in the morning, we're above freezing at 37. And then here we are Thursday morning, sunrise at 6:54. Cloudy skies, dry start, rain by, actually some showers by 11 a.m., some rain by noontime, 1 o'clock. In fact, here's the forecast for your Thursday afternoon. Actually, from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Initially dry, but that rain moving in during the afternoon and evening, and it will be widespread. All right, where's the good news in any of this? Well, the snow is actually ending mid-morning Friday, windy and cold. Oh, that's the other thing. I don't want to ignore the fact that the winds are going to be pretty strong on Friday, especially Friday morning. We may be dealing with some gusts, 40, 45 miles per hour. As of now, no wind advisory has been issued for Friday morning. That may have to happen from the Weather Service. We'll see how that plays out. But it's windy and colder. Snow ending, sunshine Friday afternoon. Your Friday night is clear and dry, but windy and definitely winter-like. And ironically, the first day of spring arrives on Saturday morning. It'll start off in the 20s but a decent recovery Saturday afternoon at 50. Overall, the weekend is nice, especially Sunday, a milder day at 57. And look at the temps on next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Pleasant, milder, with temperatures actually running several degrees above average. So wrapping it up, dry tonight through Thursday morning. Rain Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, switching over to some wet snow late Thursday night after midnight into early Friday morning, especially on northern suburbs, and then some sunshine by Friday afternoon. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.